girls! Today we're going to pack for Arizona for a little snowbird weekend. We're going to a family celebration, and so as you can see I have a little gift here. I didn't have room to put it in my suitcases, so this is going to have to go in my husband's bag. But first of all, I thought I'd show you what I'm probably going to wear on the plane. I have a little dress from Hot Miami Styles, and I got some new shoes from DSW. These are my first pair of pointy toe pumps. And you can see they're not as high as I usually wear, but they don't have any platform. So these are kind of fun and new for me. And I also got some of these cute little fringe earrings. I hope you like them. Let me know in the comments if you would wear them, because I think they're really fun. I looked on the weather report. I was halfway packed, and then I thought, well, maybe I should check. It probably is going to rain. So I had to kind of regroup and pack things that I could wear with a raincoat. So I have a raincoat, and I have a little scarf to wear with it, and I have an umbrella. So just in case it rains, I have something to stay nice and warm and dry. Okay, this is my beautiful lightweight Samantha Brown luggage. I did do a whole video on this luggage, so if you want to see that, I'll leave a link below, and it's still available on HSN. And in this outer pocket of the smaller bag, I like to put my liquids, so those are already in a quart size Ziploc. And then I'm going to open the rest of the bag, and I have a sun hat here just in case we get to go out to the pool, and I have my shoes and my undies, and they're all wrapped in tissue, and that's it. I am holding this little Too Faced blush and bronzer. This is great for traveling to a sunny place because it just makes you feel all glowy and tan, and so I thought I'd be sure to mention that. And I did do a video on that last time, and I'll link that if you want a makeup tutorial using that bronzer and blush. So here's a pair of white slip-on shoes. Now see, these have the higher heel and the platform. That's what I'm used to. So we'll see how I do with these new shoes. And then of course I brought a pair of flip-flops. And then we'll get into the bigger bag. We'll kind of move everything over, excuse me. And I'll show you, this is all extended. So I got a lot of stuff in there. And here are the rest of my dry makeup items. Also, any prescription, allergy pills, there's a hairbrush in here. All the things that aren't liquid are in that little pack. And then this is my bag. And my sister gave me this, my sister Becky. So this is wonderful for traveling because it holds quite a bit, but it's very compact. And I'm going to open the zipper compartment. And this is my extra jewelry. I just put it in plastic bags. And I did not use the shoe compartments. I put the rest of my shoes in this travel cube. And so you can just see there's tennis shoes. There's a pair of shoes that I'm going to wear with my shorts, and another one that I'll wear with one of my dresses. So I'm going to kind of leave my shoes out, and then I can show you, whoopsie, as we go along what goes with what. So this is my bathing suit and my cover-up. And funny story, I was looking for this bathing suit. I could not figure out where it was, and I had left it in this bag from the last time I did a video on the bag. So I finally found it. But this, of course, goes with the little flip-flops or the cork sandals and the hat. Ta-da! So that we'll just put over here for now. And then you always want to have something to sleep in. So I have a couple of things. I got these on sale at the end of the summer, and they're actually bride lingerie. They say misses on them, but I find that at the end of the summer, all that stuff is on sale. All the June brides are married, so they aren't buying any lingerie. So you can get some cute stuff in white and pink and blush for low prices. Kind of toss it over here. Next thing is a little mauve dress. You can use any color that you like. What I kind of tried to do is go with the pink tones so that everything would go with a raincoat. And I put some multicolored pearls with that. So if it's warm, I have something cute to wear, but if it's cold, I'll just toss on the coat. Oh, and that is going to go with the shoes that I'm wearing, the pointy toe pumps. And the rest of these dresses, for the most part, go with the same pumps. This is what I'm going to wear to the celebration. Just a little pink sheath and these pink pearls my daughter-in-law gave to me. The celebration is for her, and she got a promotion, so we're all going to get together and just let her know how proud we are of her. Okay, now this is more casual. Originally I wasn't going to take this jacket, but since it's raining, I am. Now you could take more shorts, more capris, things like that, especially if you're going to do some golfing or tennis. You're going to need to take more clothes for your athletic endeavors, but we're not going to be doing anything like that. It's more lunches, brunches, that type of thing. I did take one outfit, and as you can see, I have a little tank top with kind of a casual necklace, and then that is going to go with these little shorts that have a cute little fringe, and they go with these shoes. They match almost perfectly. I just love those. And then here's my tennies, and in these little pouches I have my workout clothes. I have shorts, workout bra, workout top, and all the goodies that I need for that. Here's another one. My sister gave me these workout pants, and she also gave me this cute little sweatshirt, which I'm taking with me because it might be cold. Just never know. So that's going to keep me nice and warm if it's raining. And then the last thing I brought, oh, here's an extra pair of socks, always handy, is these little messy bun scrunchies. You just put your hair in a ponytail, wrap it around, and then put one of these or two of these on top, and it makes a really cute messy bun. It's also nice if you're in the pool to get your hair up and out of your way, but it still looks cute. So that's everything that I'm taking to Arizona. I hope you are going to have a wonderful trip wherever you go. Bye, girls. I love you.